What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Friday Fabric Finds for the week of August 2nd, 2024. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product editor.
And my name is Mason, I'm the inventory specialist.
This is a series where we go over the newsletter that gets released on Friday and go out into our studio and show you that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's get started.
First, we're going to start off with the Friday bundle, as we always do for the newsletter, which is the Neon Moon Fat Quarter Bundle. And that is featuring two different collections, one being the Night Owls from Robert Kaufman, as well as Starry Night from Ruby Star, and it has patterns of birds, moons, florals, vines, and stars with very vibrant colors of blue, red, green, yellow, and purple. So make your projects out of this world with the Neon Moon Friday bundle.
The first collection we have for you guys is Snow Much Fun Flannel from Northcott. As it sounds, it is a winter-themed flannel collection featuring the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles that includes a 24-inch panel, and the Snow Folk Fun Quilt Kits. This group features patterns such as playful snowmen, snowflakes, wood grains, and sweater knit prints in colors of blue, white, beige, and cream. So make sure to snuggle up and stay warm with Snow Much Fun Flannel from Northcott.
The next collection we have for y'all is a Moda collection, which is Three Sisters Favorites Collages, which is a beautiful collection that we have for y'all. It is featuring favorites from the past Three Sisters collections. There is the full collection of yardage. It's a smaller collection, but we do have the full collection of yardage. A 1 yard bundle, so the bundle is 1 yard pieces. We also have the 108 white quilt backing. There's patterns of architectural and botanical elements. There's also vintage ephemera and calligraphy. So there's a whole lot, very interesting collection going on here. So make sure to add texture to your quilts with Three Sisters Favorites Collages.
All right, everyone, we're here to announce our 2024 Christmas Quilt Along. If you've never done these mystery quilt alongs with us, basically we release a new block of the pattern every week, and you can quilt along with us until we have the finished product. The Christmas Mystery Kit is called For the Most Part, and it is a 5-week quilt along that starts on August 19th. The finished size is going to be 64 inches by 78 inches, and this kit has over 7 yards of fabric included in it, so you definitely get your money's worth.
Yeah.
The patterns will be emailed weekly to those who purchase a kit or the standalone pattern. With that being said, if you'd like to use your own fabric, you can purchase the standalone quilt pattern, and every week the new blocks of the pattern will be emailed to you. We are going to begin shipping the kits on August 9th. Each of these kits are priced at $98.96. We have a Facebook group that you can join called the Fort Worth Sewing Room. There you will always announce the mystery kit first. You can also get help from other mystery quilters, and there will also be YouTube tutorials available for the mystery kit, so be sure to check out those.
The next collection we have for y'all is from Northcott. It is Farmstead Friends. So I know all y'all are wanting more festive collections. This is another one for y'all, but a little more on the farm countryside. We have the full collection of yardage. We have 28-inch panels, as well as the framed quilt kits. Just to be noted, the kits are being restocked currently, and more will be available in about 2 weeks. But the patterns for this are horses, cardinals, barns, holly, trees, snow, wood, and plaid in colors of blue, red, and white. So make sure to gallop into the warmth with Farmstead Friends from Northcott.
All right, next we have a kit on sale called the Blush Wall Quilt Kit from Northcott. This kit is originally priced at $31.96, but we have it on sale for $19.96. So be sure to get this steal before it's gone.
The next collection we have for y'all is another one from Northcott. It's also another festive collection. It is Twas the Night Before Christmas. We have the full collection of yardage. We have 24-inch stocking panels, 30-inch Santa panels, and the 43-inch tree skirt panel, plus the window view quilt kit. A whole lot going on in this collection. We have patterns of Santa flying in the night with presents. We have houses, snowflakes, snowy sky, and stripes in colors of blue, red, and white. So make sure to make the season merry and bright with 'Twas the Night Before Christmas from Northcott.
All right, next for you guys, we have the Holiday Flourish Festive Finery from Robert Kaufman. This group features the assorted yardage as well as fat quarter Flora bundles. This group features patterns such as poinsettias, ornaments, sprigs, ribbons, and leaves, and a color palette of candy cane, mint, cranberry, pine, crimson, and sage. This group also features gold metallic accents, so make sure to transform your projects into holiday masterpieces with Holiday Flourish from Robert Kaufman.
So to end off this newsletter, we have the August bargains. So make sure that you go check out our bargains page on our website daily for new sales on different things such as notions, pre-cuts, yardage, whatever could be on there. So make sure that you go check out the August bargains and see what deal you can find.
All right, last thing we want to talk to you guys is the comment of the week. We pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. That could be pulled from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. This week we have a comment from Miriam Patton, which says, "The singing was spot on, and I went to the VIP tour and it was amazing to see you in person. You all just look like your YouTube selves. Imagine that, LOL." And Miriam, we want to thank you, for your comment. We want to thank you for complimenting Mitchell's singing. She's referring to last week when Mitchell was singing.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
He's a great singer.
And we also want to thank you for coming to the VIP tour. For the audience, if you guys don't know, for these VIP events, we allow you guys to purchase tickets, come into our warehouse, and actually shop in person. You get to meet vendors, meet us, you get to have food, and it's a very fun time. We do one of those about every season, so expect to have another one here in, let's say, September. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled for that.
And as always, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, ring that bell to get all the notifications of whenever we upload our videos. And also don't forget to leave a comment so maybe you can be featured in next week's comment of the week. Follow us on all of our social media. The links will be down in the description. See y'all next week.